Hi, welcome to excellab.org. We will see how to create future value interest factor annuity table using Excel's data table feature. We know annuity it's constant cash stream for constant period. Now the formula is it's 1 plus rate of interest raised to number of period, which is n minus 1, divided by the rate of interest. Now we will take various interest rates, so starting with 1%, we can take up to, let's say, 9%. So these are the interest rates, and in the column we will take the years, that is the time period. So begin with 1, and let's say take up to let's say 10 years. So these are the years. So now this is our table. This is our table, and we want values in all the cells. So what we will do, we mention rate which is outside this table. So the rate of interest, so we are beginning with 1%, so take 1% here, and time period is year, it's different years, so take 1, begin with 1. So now what we will do, in this table, the left corner, the top corner here, we will mention the formula. We put the formula here, so which is 1 plus rate is 1% raised to number of year, which is 1 year, minus 1, close the bracket, divided by again the rate of interest, which is 1%. Enter. So we got it. It's 1 from this formula. Now what we will do, we select the table where we want the data. We want data in all this vacant cells. So what I will do, I will go to data, what if analysis, data table. Now this is the input cell. So it is asking for row input, and we know the row is the various interest rates. So give reference of this 1%, and the column, it is the time period, which is which are different years. So give reference of the B8. Now why I'm doing this, because if I take 1% or 1 year here, then it will not give the result. So you have to consider the data from the values which are outside this table. So you just okay it, and we get the different values here. You can see at once only. So this is the wonderful feature of Excel. Now you take up to 4 decimal. You take up to 4 decimal. So these are the different interest factor annuity table values which we have found out using the formula in Excel's data table feature.